Hi friends, we are going to see how to make carrot rice for babies of 6 months to 12 months. Come, let's see how to make carrot rice. We have to take a small carrot and we have to peel the skin of the carrot, and then we have to cut into cubes. Then we have to transfer the carrot into the bowl, and then we have to pour water and we have to boil it for around 5 to 10 minutes till it cooked completely. Then we have to transfer the carrot into the mixture grinder and 1 spoon of boiled rice, and then we have to grind it. Now our carrot rice is ready to give to the babies of 6 months to 1 year. It's very nutritious, rich of carbohydrate and vitamin E. Thank you.